Hello everyone, my name is AJ and I'm part of the Rho Phi chapter of Sigma Gamma Rho Sorority Incorporated. Today I want to talk to you guys about a few events that we do have planned this semester. Our first one is Operation Big Book Bag, and that is where we collect different school supplies in order to provide them to our local schools in need. Secondly, we do have Rock the Mic, and that is a karaoke event that we do host in which we all get on Zoom and we sing our hearts out to whatever we want to. Thirdly, we do have Poodle Table Talk, and that's where we talk about women empowerment, awareness of domestic violence, and different trending topics. And then fourthly, we do have our Charter Day event, which is soon to be announced. This semester, our events are limited due to the fact that each NPHC chapter gets their own week this week. So in respect of that, we have limited our events. But in all, we hope you guys have a great semester and we hope to see you around.